having a bit of a, I don't want to say rough start to my morning, but like we ain't hurrying. Yeah, I woke up and I was like feeling really anxious, and I was like, truly, honestly, the last thing I want to do is get out of bed right now. So stayed in bed, slept for another like 45 minutes or so, which I mean means I'm not going to make it on time to my first class because it's already 8:40 and I need to catch an 8:54 bus to be to the train on time and then to class on time. But I've decided I'm not gonna rush, gonna have a slow, like, chill morning. So just packing my lunch. Then I'm gonna make breakfast, watch a little TV, and then make my way. Take some peppers, and then I didn't even have to prep anything except that we had like burger potato bowls the other day. So that, some sauce for it. I bought some little Caesar salads. Today is Tuesday. It is currently 8:29 and I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. I slept past my alarm yesterday and didn't go to class, and then I slept past my alarm today. I don't have class this morning, but I wanted to get up. I have to stop sleeping past my alarm or else it's gonna become an issue. Also in the summer, the job I work, I have to be at work at 6 o'clock. So I have to get up at 5 and I can't sleep past my alarm. So this morning, it wasn't that I slept past it. It went off at 7:30. I snoozed it. It went off again at 7:40. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna stop it and I'll get up. I didn't get up, fell back asleep, woke up, it was 8:10, which I mean isn't bad. Like, it's still a decent time, but I still wanted to get up slightly earlier. Anyways, tomorrow is a new day. I'm trying not to beat myself up about it. I have some bread in the toaster. I'm going to read my book for book club because I have 3 more chapters, I think, and we're meeting tomorrow, but it shouldn't take me long to get through them. And then my mom's just dropping my brother at school, and then when she comes back, I'm gonna take her car and go to my favorite trail and gonna go do a little walk there this morning to start the day, then come back, shower, and do school stuff. Sitting by the lake right now. It is so lovely outside. Like, it's like 4 degrees, I think, so it's like kind of warm ish, which is nice, so I can just sit and be comfortable. Though this rock is wet, so my legs are a little bit cold, but that's okay. But it's so quiet except for the highway, but like, it's so nice, and there's like nobody else out here. So it's so lovely. Something I really needed. I saw so many different birds. There was a bunch of chickadees. I saw this woodpecker. It like came up right next to me. I saw this big hawk. Anyways, lots of cool birds. But this is exactly what I needed this morning. Just finished up a little walk. Oh, it started to rain just at the end, so that's good. Also, I got these pants They're like fluffy on the inside. They're amazing. My mom and I each bought 2 pairs the other day. Amazing. Great for Canadian winters because leggings are never warm enough, but I still want to wear them. But anyways, I'm gonna head home now, I think, and chill. I have schoolwork to do, so I'm gonna go do that. And yeah. As you saw, I went for a walk this morning. I went for like a solid 45-minute walk, did like 4.5 kilometers, I think. And then I came home, did a little bit of a workout, and then hopped in the shower, just threw a load of laundry in, because I didn't get to wash my sheets this weekend, and they are real dirty. Like there's like crumbs and stuff in them. I don't even know. So they needed to be washed. My mom wanted hers washed, so I just threw a little laundry in. There's actually 2 loads, but that is doing that. And now I'm gonna make myself a smoothie because I'm hungry, but it's not lunchtime yet, so I don't wanna like make myself food. So I'm gonna make a little protein smoothie, and then I'm going to get to my readings that I have to do today. I have like history readings for my history class. History readings for my history class, no shit. Let's make a smoothie. Finished product. It's pretty good. Not the same without banana. Also, I put a strawberry yogurt in there, and that's really sweet. Also, look how naked my water bottle looks. I had to take off a couple of the stickers because they're peeling. But I ordered some new ones from Etsy, so I'm very excited for those to come in. But now I'm going to be productive, do readings, take notes on the readings for my tutorial tomorrow. So I just chefed it up. I don't want it to spill. I made this pasta. I have no idea if it's gonna be good. I just used like goat cheese. I had some other cheese. There's like milk. I mean, it smells really good. Let's see. Hopefully this is good. It's just kind of cheesy and a little spicy because I put chili flakes. So I would say success. The funny thing is I'll make pastas like this, but I would literally have no idea how to recreate them because I do not write the recipe anywhere. I just fully am like hoping for the best. Okay, book club meeting. I almost said this is Mario, as if they don't know who you are. This is Mario and his book club snack. My book club snack is this banana chocolate chunk muffin. And yeah. But we're gonna chat. Are you excited for this week's book club? Yeah. It's getting intense in the book, I feel like.
I know.
It's a bit crazy. Anyways. Cheers. Good morning. I just made some English muffins with peanut butter, and I'm going to read my book on my Kindle because I'm like so close to being finished. Let's see. I have 29 minutes left apparently. I'm at 90%. I'm reading The Lost Bookshop. It's actually really good. It's like historical fiction mixed with like romance and a little bit of like fantasy-ish. I don't know. I'm not normally a big historical fiction, but this one's good. So I'm gonna eat this, not the book. I'm gonna eat this, read this, and then I think I wanna go for a little walk and then work out. And yeah. I'm gonna go for a walk. Not as long as yesterday. This thing is so squeaky. Let's go. Just did a little morning meditation. Now I'm going to do a workout, I think. I haven't done a slick back in a while, so I'm gonna try and do one. I also have this new gel. I don't know if it's any good, but I'm running out of this gel. So let's try this gel. Oh, sticky. Sticky. Okay. I'm gonna make a protein coffee, I think, because I need caffeine. Our Nespresso machine hasn't been working properly. Well, no, it's been working fine, but for some reason, every time I make a coffee, it tastes real weird. Because a couple of times ago, we had to clean it, so you like run a thing through. Now it's been tasting weird, so I don't know. So I'm gonna use my Keurig and then have protein. I'm gonna do a Coney Island caramel because I think it'll go decently because this is a chocolate peanut butter protein. So. I hope this actually tastes good. It's pretty good. I feel like if you can't see the little hair at the back, it kind of looks like I'm like a baby who has like no hair. But that's okay. I'm gonna do a little morning journal. I'm trying to like really take advantage of my mornings because once the summer hits, I work starting probably at 6. So I don't really get a chance to like have a morning routine because like I could if I opted to get up at 4 in the morning, but I really don't want to get up earlier than 5. I lose out on the morning routine. So I'm trying to take advantage while I still have a morning routine right now. I like these 5. So the morning prompts are, I'll put them up on the screen. How do I feel this morning? How can I make today better than yesterday? What is my main goal today? What are 5 things I'm grateful for? And an affirmation.